Hello, my name is Dani. I'm an art instructor, and you're tuned in to the Able Arts Work Virtual Learning channel. Thanks for joining me today. Today, we're going to do an activity called Taking Up Space. We're going to draw a big shape on our paper, and we're going to fill it in as much as we can with our favorite colored markers. So I've gone ahead and picked out my favorite markers, and I've also gotten a pen out. So grab your drawing utensils and we're going to get started. You can draw any shape on your page and we can fill it in however you want. We're going to be listening to a song that can inspire us to color however feels right. So I'm going to draw a big shape taking up the space, a page. It doesn't have to be any shape in particular. And we're going to go ahead start coloring it in. We can also use our pen to make accent lines, to separate sections, to give us a cleaner idea of where our colors are going to go. So I'm going to add some lines. They can be anywhere. Just going to be filling the space before I start coloring. You can do any shape of lines that you want. I'm doing some arcs, but we can also do some wavy lines. We're just going to have fun and keep it really casual with this drawing activity. Okay. Once you've got some lines down, we can start coloring. So let's all listen to this song together and color however feels right. Awesome. So now we have a fully filled in shape that is totally unique with all our favorite colors. I hope you had a good time drawing with me. Check out the other videos on our channel for some art and music demonstrations.